Hey everybody, it's me here, the J Crew, back with another unboxing for you all. This time I got an alarm clock from Amazon, but this alarm clock, there's a special feature with it. So, and also for time's sake, I kind of opened it already. So, I got it from Amazon. You gotta love those guys. And no, I'm not sponsored or anything. I paid for it myself. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to check it out for yourselves. So, let's see here. What you get in the box, obviously they package it so-so. But yeah, here is the box. You get a big box and then a little box. This is what it comes in, like this. That's what it has on the, if you guys want to read that you can. On the side, it's got all that. Easy to use. And then on here, that's the name of the company right there. And then now, we open this up. Oh, look at that, right off the bat. There is your wall mount. Plug it up. And plug that right there into the clock, and you plug this into your outlet. It's a USA outlet. I don't know if they have anything convert to European, but I'm sure you can find stuff on Amazon to have a European adapter. So, and then in the box, you get the clock, and here you get your manual. That's the manual. It tells you all the basic information, warranty, how to use it, blah blah blah. Here, right there. It just tells you how to set it up and everything. It's all in English and I do believe French. English and French. But let's get to the main thing.
No, 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 no.
And as I drop that, my bad. But anyways, here's the clock itself. It's white and black, and they bubble wrapped it pretty good. And there it is here. It's a nice looking clock, to be honest. And then here's the back. What's special about this clock is you can charge your iPhone or your iPad, or if you have Android, you can do that as well, I do believe. And here's the antenna. Obviously because I do believe this has AM/FM radio. And here's her sticker right there. Right here. There we go, so you can see the time zone setups and everything. It says before removing, please use and set up before removing this sticker. So let's do that. Now,
unravel this. Okay, guys. Unravel that.
it's actually got a nice long cable. Nice long, decent cable. If you have a plug pretty far away from your bedside, this is probably oh, 3 feet maybe? Something like 3 feet. So, let me plug this up. Alright, let me find the plug. Alright, we got a plug. Okay, and then you can use this end here. Focus. That end piece there. Plug it in here. Plug it in here. Like so. That's your power supply. See, now she's on. And now, to set right here, you set time zone. And stuff like that. So you hit this button here. Let's see. It does work. So once I figure it out, she's still flashing. Yeah, there it goes. So, you know what? Let's be honest. Let's take the sticker off. I mean, who honestly does stuff? Show you guys what the screen looks like. So get rid of that annoying sticker. No, it is not 117, but that's the clock itself. Very nice big screen. Alarm here, set. There's your radio. Your radio works. Yeah, you push it once, turn it on, push it again to turn it off. Real simple. And then to show you that the USB works, let me get my iPad. Okay. So, this is my iPad. Here. To plug this in here, move that out of the way. And there we go. And you plug the USB right in here. And as you can see, it's charging. It's got that little lightning bolt there. That's what's nice about this alarm clock. I'll leave a link in the description so you guys can check it out for yourself. But that's it there. Megasonic, I do believe that's how you pronounce it. Megasonic. Megasonic, yep. Kind of reminds me of Sonic the Hedgehog. Because it has Sonic there at the end, so it reminds me of Sonic the Hedgehog. If you guys remember that game, write hashtag Sonic in the comments down below. But this is the Magic Sonic alarm clock with USB charger. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.